AI is now shopping for your customers, and they never visit your site. Digital marketing. November brought major shifts. Here's what matters. ChatGPT now helps people shop. It asks what they're looking for, suggests products, and, through a new partnership with Target, lets them buy without ever leaving the chat. This means potential customers are making purchases without ever seeing your website, your branding, or your offers. If AI doesn't know about your business, you're losing sales to competitors who are already visible. SEO. Google's making big changes in January 2026. They're removing features that used to help customers find specific information, like product nutrition facts and local offers. You might wonder why. Because AI is now answering these questions directly on the search page, instead of clicking through to your website. Again, if your business isn't showing up in these AI answers, customers won't be able to find you. Hence, make sure that AI knows your business, what you offer, and why you're the best choice. Paid media. Google now shows ads inside AI conversation results. When someone asks AI for product recommendations, your ads can appear right there in the answer. These aren't normal ads. People are having longer conversations with AI, asking detailed questions about products. Your old advertising approach won't work here. You need to think about how AI recommends your business, not just which keywords you're bidding on. Web and design. On November 18, Cloudflare had a technical failure. For 37 minutes, ChatGPT, Shopify, and other major platforms went completely offline. It's important because if your website depends on just one service provider and they go down, your entire business might crash. Could your business survive if your website were down for an hour or two? If not, you might need a backup plan. AI is changing how your customers shop. They're finding businesses, comparing options, and making purchases in completely new ways. Is your business ready for the change? Read our full November update to understand exactly what you need to do to stay visible and competitive.